welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm really excited because I just got a slime package from Puggy Slime Shop, and this is a so underrated slime shop, and I'm really excited because I've been stalking her account for over, I think, 3 months already, and I fell in love with her slimes, and she sent me this package to review, so I'm gonna be totally honest, and I'm gonna tell you guys if I love them or if I don't like him. So let's get started. But if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe down below, turn on my post notifications so you won't miss another video like this. Let's try to get this video to 600 likes. I know we can do it. We've been beating all our records. So here's the slime package. It's really nice. I like how she packaged it, and it comes with tissue paper, and when I open it, it came with the card. And the card just says thank you so much for me reviewing it, and I'm really excited, you guys. Look how nicely packaged this is. It's so professionally done, and I'm really excited. So let's get opening. So I really like how all her slimes come packaged in this really nice bag, and it comes bubble wrapped and with a lot of these little worm thingies. And she also puts this little tie up here so the bag won't open, and it's really nice of her because some slimes do spill. And hers are really protected with this. You see how it comes with worms? These are nice worms. Super cute packaging. 10 out of 10 for the packaging. I really love how people really do try packaging because it makes their shop look so professional. The bubble wrap is well secured too. So here's her little logo. It says Puggy Slime Shop. I love the little pug. It's super cute. This one is called Miss Cherry, and I think it's a butter slime. Let's find out. I love these U-line containers. They're really nice. Wait a minute. Is this thick slime? Okay, let's find out. You guys, do you guys see that? Oh my god. Not sticky at all. Super fast shipping, you guys. It's not sticking to my table either. It's so thick and glossy and stretchy, guys. I can't believe it's so thick and stretchy at the same time. You guys, honestly, I'm really shook. Honestly, goals, you guys. I don't know how she did it, but she got the recipe for thick slimes down. Honestly, I don't think you can go much thicker than this. Look. This is a slime swirl. Let's see how it looks with the slime swirl. It smells like cherries, and it's a really good cherry, not like the other cherries that smell like cough medicine. This smells like actual slime, like cherry. The crunches, the bubbles, everything is so nice and thick, you guys. I'm really shook. I honestly give this one a 10 out of 10. Honestly, look how thick it is. So this next one, I think it's a black slime or a purple, like dark purple slime, and it's called Ursula. I can't speak today, but it's called Ursula. I think it's from like the Little Mermaid, and it has like glitters, and it looks so amazing, you guys. I think it's a clear base. So let's open it. Wow, that looks so nice. Okay, so I think, yeah, it is a clear base, so let's hope it's not melted. But I think it looks so beautiful how she put the green and purple and mixed it with the black slime. I think that's really nice, and I think the glitters give it an extra like dimension, if you know what I mean. So it's not melted. It's so thick. How? Look. Oh, it's a purple slime. Wow, you guys, I'm really shook. Let's take this beautiful slime out. You guys, I'm really shook right now. It's really, really nice. I really love this. It's not sticky at all. It's well activated. It's not over activated, but it's well activated. Honestly, you guys, I'm really shook. If you guys, I don't know, this is probably one of my second favorites, and I just barely opened two. Imagine for the rest of them. It's so beautiful. Look at that bubble. So nice. I can't get over this. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Let's show you the color one more time. Look at the color. I thought it was black, but it's a purple. I really, really love it. So I really love this. And I rate it a 10 out of 10 because it's so thick. It's a nice texture. And yeah. So this next one is like a foam one, I think. And it's called Trolls Land. And I'm really excited for this one. She does tape them shut, so nothing could leak and the top won't fall off. So that's really good because some people just leave them like that, and at the end when someone orders it, then everything just like falls. So here's Trolls Land. I'm really excited for this, and I love slimes that have like foam beads in them. I don't know why, it gives me like satisfaction. Sorry for the background noise. I have my windows open just because it's really hot here in California. So here it is. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like bubblegum. Oh wait. Yeah. Yeah, it smells like bubblegum. So it's a full foam, I think. Sorry for the background noise. My little niece is talking, and she don't know that I'm filming. Let me make a slime throw with this. I honestly love the concept of this because it's a one base color and the foam beads give it an extra layer, and also the packing peanuts. Oh, these worms are flying everywhere. So this next one is a green one, and it's called Watermelon Crunch. And I'm really excited because I think this one is also foam. So this one did leak a tad bit, but it's okay. This one's another foam, and I'm excited because I love full foams. You can see it has like black sprinkles and these little red like triangle parts. It smells exactly like watermelon, you guys. This slime, oh my god, I think I found my new favorite foam. I love, if you guys don't know, I honestly love full foams. They're so satisfying. I don't know, something about them, it makes me feel so satisfied. So nice, you guys. I really love this. It smells so good. I'm honestly obsessed. I give this one a 10 out of 10 once again. Her slimes are honestly so gold, you guys. This is such a famous slime shop, like, type of review because her slimes are so gold. Oh my god. Shook. 10 out of 10. So this one is called Lemon or Lime. And I think it's like a jelly type cube. I don't know. This is really weird. Let me open it and find out for you guys. Hold up. Wait. What are these? Hold up. I'm shook. Let me take one of these sponges out. Wait, these are the honeycomb ones. I've seen these all over Instagram. Hold up. You guys hear that? Let me take another one. The crunch when you squeeze them, it's so good. Let me take out the whole slime. It smells like a lemon head. Have you guys ever like smelled a lemon head? It smells exactly like a lemon head. The clear slime itself, you guys, oh my god. I'm really shook. Not sticky at all. Oh, I still have some red on me. Oh my god, no. The red is that you see is because I still had red on me. Honestly, I'm shook. You guys see those bubbles when you squeeze like the little honeycombs? These little honeycombs, where do you get these anyways? I've never seen or touched anything like this. It's so thick. I love the flown beads. I love how it smells. It smells like a lemon head. Have you guys ever had those? Comment down below. It's so poppy just because of these little honeycombs. So honestly, I give this slime shop a 10 out of 10, you guys. I honestly love this slime shop. Oh my god, I want more slimes from her. They're so thick, and out of all of these slimes that she sent me, I think my favorite has to be the cherry one. Just because it's so thick. Insert a clip right here so you guys can see how thick it is. But yeah, if you guys want to see more from her shop or any other shop, then go ahead and comment down below what shop you guys want to see. And yeah, I'll try to make it happen. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.